This is section 5.1, number 111. So we are given the second derivative. We're given the first derivative at 0 and the function at 4. And we want to find f. We want to know what f is. But we start with f double prime. So we're not doing this one. We're doing 111. So how do you go backwards? F prime is the backwards derivative. So that's going to be the integral of cos x dx. And we ask ourselves, the derivative of what is cosine? And we should say sine x plus c. So we have the derivative is sine x plus c. But I want to know what c is. I have to find c to be able to do this. But they tell us f prime of 0 is 3. That means if I plug in 0 here and here, this must equal 3 because this is f prime. So I'm going to do f prime of 0, which is sine 0 plus c. That must equal 3. But sine of 0 is 0, so we have c equals 3. So look, I have found the particular solution for f prime. It's sine x plus 3. I found the actual f prime, not a general, but the actual, using initial value. But how do I find f? F is the antiderivative of f prime of x dx, which is the antiderivative of sine x plus 3 dx. So I can do that. I ask myself, the derivative of what is sine? And if you say cosine, you were wrong. Because the double check, what's the derivative of cosine? Minus sine. So I need a minus there to make it match. And then I ask myself, the derivative of what is 3? The derivative of 3x. And now there is my f of x, but that's a general solution. I want a specific solution. I can't remember the name of it. Not a specific, it's called something. I can't remember what it's called. But we know this. F of pi is 4. They tell us that. F at pi is 4. That means if I plug in pi for x, this whole thing will equal 4. So f of pi is minus cosine of pi plus 3 pi plus c better equal 4. Well, what's cosine of pi? You should all know it's -1. These negatives become plus. Let me subtract 1 from both sides. Subtract 3 pi from both sides. I have found the c. And I'm going to plug that c in for that c you see. And now I have found f of x. Opposite cos x plus 3x plus 3 minus 3 pi. There is my answer.